can't believe it every day and night. You are the only one who's on my mind.
Hi guys! Let's continue our journey to Santorini by Blue Star Ferries. We are now heading to the new port of Santorini, which is called Athenios Port. The first town that we can see from the ferry is Oia village.
That's what we about, living by the sea, sipping on some rum, under the shade of a tree. That's what we about, just feel the warm breeze, living young and wild and free. The sun, ocean, on an island where no one can find me. The sun, ocean, sipping on some rum. The sun, ocean, on an island where no one can find me. The sun, ocean, and the party just begun. That's what we're about, living by the sea, sipping on some rum, under the shade of a tree. That's what we're about, just feel the warm breeze, living young and wild and free. That's what we're about, living by the sea, sipping on some rum, under the shade of a tree. That's what we're about, just feel the warm breeze, living young and wild and free.
Fira is the capital of Santorini, a Greek island in the Aegean Sea. This is the town where we book our hotel room. Fira is the beautiful capital of the island and the biggest and most cosmopolitan settlement of Santorini. It is located in the western edge of the island, opposite the volcano and the two volcanic islands, Paliakameni and Niakameni, that lie in the sea.
in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last.
Transfer station. Alright guys, so we're gonna take this bus going to Fira. See you there guys. Thanks for watching. See you on my next one.